Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'll show you how to make a katana for your sword fighting game. If you haven't seen my devlog yet, what are you waiting for? I'm making a fun game. This sword is part of the game. Alright, stick with me and follow my steps. I will leave a model and explain the code. Link in the description. Don't forget to join our Discord family. If you found this video helpful, like and sub. I'm trying to hit 1000 subs. Alright, let's do this. After you get the model, if you are stuck, read the README script. We start by placing the hit effect in replicated storage. This is important for the effect. Once you're done, place the tool now in starter pack. Starting with the local script, which contains the animation handle and the mouse click detection. We made variables for the player and his parts. We made a function that returns a random animation from this folder. You can add more animations if you want. Then we check if the player has clicked to attack. We added a delay. Then we fire a remote event and play the animation. Now the server script, in which we check the nearest players to damage. We loop through the workspace to find the players. Then we clone the hit effect and place it inside the target. And we emit the particles and we make him lose some health randomly. If you found this helpful, like and sub to support me reach 1K subs.